What to do in Madrid for 3 days. Best Madrid travel guide. Madrid braves energy. From ornate plazas to bossing tapas bars, it's a city that invites you to slow down and soak it all in. If you have 3 days and want to experience Madrid like a local but with the best highlights, this guide maps out a route that brings history, flavor, and hidden gems into one unforgettable trip.
Let's explore.
Day 1, Royal Routes and Tastrails. Start your morning around 9:30 at Puerta del Sol. It's the beating heart of Madrid. Locals gather here, street musicians play, the clock tower marks the center of the city. From there, walk to the Royal Palace Grand, elegant and surrounded by manicured gardens. Stroll through the Arab baths next door and feel the calm before the day unfolds. By around 11 o'clock, make your way to Plaza de la Villa, a historic square filled with medieval fajades and quiet charm. It's a moment of peaceful contrast to the crowds. Lunchtime calls for a visit to Mercado de San Miguel. Order croquetas and jamón ibérico. Find a spot under the glass roof and let the flavors of Madrid come to life. After lunch, head simply north to Plaza Mayor, sit at a cafe and sip coffee while the world flows around you. Then wander through the Austria's neighborhood. Find tucked away galleries, small shops, and those pastel-colored facades that feel like a storybook. As the afternoon softens, make your way east to El Retiro Park. Rent a rowboat, drift on the lake, or just walk along shaded paths past statues and fountains. When evening arrives around 7 o'clock, explore Barrio de las Letras. This literary quarter pulses with tapas bars, wine spots, and locals enjoying a relaxed evening. Order patatas bravas, calamares, or croquetas. Let each dish spark its own conversation. If you're still moving after 10 at night, take a stroll to Gran Via Madrid's neon-lit artery, revealing the city's theatrical side. Day 2. Art, culture, and rooftop sunsets. Begin your day around 10 o'clock at the Prado Museum. Spain's greatest art collection lives here. Velázquez, Goya, Bosch, quiet masterpieces waiting to show themselves. After that, cross the street to the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. The flow between centuries of art feels effortless. By around 1 o'clock, stop in Barrio de las Letras for lunch, maybe a fresh tortilla sandwich or a pleto gambas al ajillo. In the afternoon, walk south to Plaza de Cibeles. Snap a photo under the Grand Fountain. Then continue to Puerta de Alcalá and stroll to the Buen Retiro Gardens, again this time for afternoon light and calm. By around 6 in the evening, head back to Gran Via and walk up to one of the rooftop bars, maybe the one at Círculo de Bellas Artes. The view at sunset will show Madrid's layered beauty, baroque roofs, modern towers, wide avenues. For dinner, try a restaurant in Chueca or Malasaña, neighborhoods full of trendy energy, inventive dishes, and cozy ambience. After your meal, explore narrow streets lit by lanterns or stop for a late-night café con leche in a small square. Day 3 markets, royal parks, and local vibes. Your final day starts around 9:30 at El Rastro, Madrid's famed flea market. It's navigable chaos antiques, street musicians, antiques, colorful chaos worth a slow wander. By around 11 o'clock, grab an espresso and churros from a nearby stand, simple, local, unforgettable. Then head to Palacio de Cristal in Retiro, one of the most peaceful glass sanctuaries you'll find. It's like stepping into a dream. For lunch, head to La Latina, a vibrant neighborhood where tapas turning into a midday ritual. Explore small bars and lanes and let flavors guide the day. After lunch, visit Lavapiés, a multicultural quarter pulsing with street art, international eateries, and a relaxed vibe that contrasts with central Madrid. As the light softens, head north to the Temple of Debod, perched on a hill and offering perfect sunset views and serene company.
For your final evening, return to Plaza de España. Order a glass of wine, raise it to the city's pace, and savor this moment.
Finish strong with a farewell meal in a local hidden gem, something beyond the tourist path but rich with the soul of Madrid.
Recap of your days.
Day 1 royal start, historic squares, Retiro tapas in a literary quarter. Day 2 museums, city views from the rooftop, neighborhood bites. Day 3 market morning, gardens, hidden paths, and a sunset to remember. Madrid is warmth, flavor, and rhythm. It's strolling under arcades and sipping vermouth in sunlight. With this guide, you'll not only visit, you'll live Madrid step by step, dish by dish, view by view. And remember, the video description contains useful resources that can save you time and money. Below, I've included tools I use myself that might be helpful. Don't forget to check out the description, where you'll find links to recommended services and comparison sites. And if this video helped you plan your getaway, give it a like and subscribe to discover more cities through the eyes of a local and a trusted guide.